clicks count, how results are ranked, sorted, and filtered, and why it all matters. Web search engines are well known and well used, but how often do we utilize advanced search features? It can be difficult to convey the importance of using these advanced features to return more accurate search results and make all those clicks truly count. Why do we sort and filter? A study of online travel agencies researched how the use of sort and filter features affected choices made by searchers. They found that the use of sort and filter features led to users finding better prices and making reservations with higher rated businesses, as well as browsing through a wider range of options. While those who did not have these options were more likely to choose one of the top listed results without browsing very far. Sort and filter functionality also led to more satisfied customers, who in turn were more likely to become return users. Basically, the use of sort and filter options returned more true positives and fewer false positives. Some common examples of sorting options are relevance, date of publication, price, and author name. Some common filter options are date range, price range, publication type, and language. Why are results ranked? Google says its mission is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. While accessibility involves technology and infrastructure, usefulness can be quite subjective. Studies have shown that searchers usually click on top listed results and stay within the first 2 pages. For a search engine to see return customers, they must provide results at the top of the list that the searcher will consider useful. What about advertising? Ads on large search engines like Google and Bing can be formatted to look like search results. Some shopping sites like Amazon will put sponsored products among the search results. A user must pay attention to detail to sort the actual search results from paid posts. Review-based sites may not necessarily give businesses higher ranking, but will allow a business to pay for a better profile page, including more pictures and information and fewer, if any, ads from competitors. Why does this all matter? For individuals, understanding how search works and how to use search features will lead to more accurate and faster search results, leaving more free time to use that new information. Businesses that utilize search could benefit from increased efficiency and accuracy. If a business were to work with, say, a local library, they could also learn about and have access to more resources. As a community, working together to increase information literacy will keep libraries open, educate the public, and benefit local businesses. Thus, we can take all this basic search information and use it to make those clicks count.